How to fix no sound on your Android phone. In this video I will show you how you fix not working sound on your Android phone. So let's start it. First you have to just open your mobile settings, go to the mobile settings, and now you have to just define here, scroll up and just find the here sound and vibration options. Click on the sound and vibration options. So after clicking these options, so you have to just find here upsides first. You have to, if there is select on vibrate or mute, then you have to just switch on sound options. Click on the sound options and just click on the sound. So you have to just select it and scroll down your notification panel and just to see if there are any connected Bluetooth device like any earbuds or your headphone Bluetooth. You have to just turn off the Bluetooth. Okay, just turn off your Bluetooth, and now you have to just see here if there your mobile is silent or not. If this says silent, then you have to just here volume full increase. Okay, and now you have to just see here your mobile is silent there, then you have to just click and you have to just turn it on. Okay, enable. And now you have to just see if there is do not disturb mode on in, then you have to just turn off this. If sometimes some mobile have to this problem do not disturb mode on, then you have to face that problem no sound. You have to just turn off this do not disturb mode settings. Okay, now you have to just go to the back and now once again open the mobile settings. Okay, and now you have to just go to the here search bar, click on the search bar and just search reset. Just search here reset. After search here reset all settings, click on the reset all settings. Now you can see reset all settings and click and reset your all settings. Okay, do these settings. So now after doing the reset all settings, maybe your problem will be fixed. And the last method is you have to just press the power button. Okay, press the power button, or another you have the Samsung phone, then you can easily have the power button. Okay, if you like any other Android device, then you have to just click on the power button or plus volume button, then you have to this interface. So now you have to just click on the restart button and just you have to restart your mobile. I hope your speaker will be work and definitely the no sound problem will be fixed. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to Genuine Guide YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video. Genuine Guide YouTube channel.